Hi everyone, I hope you all doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be all about an office room cum kids play area makeover. In this makeover, I will be using the old and some leftover decor items since our old table came in a very bad shape during interstate shifting. So the only purchase I will make will be an office table. This attached table was being used by my husband, which came with this rented apartment. And though it was functional, but for days when you are fully working from home, it is not comfortable space-wise. And this is the space before makeover. I will be making this an office room primarily, cum kids play area. Now since I have a toddler at home, so according to me it is always a better idea to make little play space for them so that you can keep an eye on them while working. Now I folded this attached table to make more space. I placed the new table on other window of the room and then I did this setting. This table purchase is from Amazon. This leftover wallpaper is from my balcony makeover. I cut it into two pieces and pasted them on walls to give a office desk look. So I took some printouts from the internet of some motivational quotes and I pasted them with the help of double-sided tape. Next is this area adjacent to office table. Again I used the leftover wallpaper from balcony makeover. My son loves beaches, so I tried to utilize it in such a way that it resembles water to my son. I cut it into thin strips to make the base, which looks like sea. Not exactly, but to a 2.5-year-old definitely. I had this wall sticker, but this was very small in size, so I used these leftover wallpaper from my coaster making videos and I will stick them to make leaves and stem of a tree and paint them accordingly. Now I will elongate the stem of this small tree by painting brown and black on this leftover white marble wallpaper. Also I made a second tree taller than this one by using these leftover wallpaper and painted them in same way. Next comes this clock with antique look. I definitely cannot remove it as it's heavy and a nail is already there and I don't want to make an additional drill. So I am going to paint it so that it looks like sun to my son color wise. I wanted to make those rays also around it, but I was not left with any wallpaper. Definitely check out my son's first reaction when he enters the room after makeover. This time I have gone for a very bright color palette. This is not a very big room and so I have used these bright colors in a way so that it doesn't overpower, especially in that play area's wall, as it is primarily an office. So all the elements that I really wanted in office room and my kids play area according to their interest is ready. Now it's time to put them together and see how it looks.
Then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being.
I hope you like the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.